Have you ever wondered how the stock market actually works? Some people say it's a casino. Others say it's the secret to building wealth. But the truth is, the stock market is a lot simpler than you think. And today, I'll explain it with real-life examples that you can relate to. Part 1. What is the stock market? The stock market is basically a giant marketplace where people buy and sell small pieces of companies called stocks. Imagine your favorite coffee shop wants to expand. Instead of just taking a loan, they sell little pieces of their business called shares. If you buy one, you're now a part owner of that coffee shop. Part 2. How does it work? Companies first bring their shares to the market through an IPO or initial public offering. After that, investors trade those shares every day. The price? It's like buying and selling at an auction. It changes based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy, the price goes up. If more want to sell, the price goes down. Part 3. How do you make money? There are two main ways. Capital gain, buy low, sell high. Example, you bought Tesla stock at $100 and now it's $250. That profit is your capital gain. Dividends, some companies share their profits with you just for holding their stock. It's like getting rent from a house you own. Part 4. 7 golden tips for beginners. Now, if you're thinking of investing, here are 7 golden rules to remember. Explain with everyday examples. Learn first, invest later. Like learning to drive before hitting the highway. Start small, like tasting a small plate at a new restaurant before ordering the full meal. Think long term, like planting a mango tree. It takes years to grow fruits. Diversify. Don't just buy potatoes. Buy rice, fish, and vegetables too. Use ETFs, index funds. Instead of betting on one player, invest in the whole team. Be patient. A rainy day doesn't mean the sun won't shine again. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Don't spend your rent money at the carnival lottery. Part 5. USA market examples. In the US, there are a few major stock markets. NYSE, home to big giants like Coca-Cola and JP Morgan. Nasdaq, famous for tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla. Cboe, for options trading. So, whether you love technology or stable companies, there's a market for you. So, the stock market isn't magic. It's just a place where money meets opportunity. If you enjoyed this simple breakdown and want more beginner-friendly finance videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments, which company's stock would you love to own?